Take a moment to check out the 2023 Hyundai Venue. Take a closer look at this good-looking Venue, the mini SUV that delivers the features you need to manage your active lifestyle in comfort. You'll also enjoy a new level of confidence and convenience, thanks to safety and connectivity tech such as standard driver assistance, touchscreen infotainment, and crossover versatility. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: lane departure warning, navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, remote engine start, keyless start, heated mirrors, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, aluminum wheels. Tackle your urban environment in style and comfort in this capable Venue. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.